In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to pause videos while recording on iPhone. This allows you to streamline your footage, reducing the need for post-recording edits and keeping everything in a single file. This feature helps conserve storage by avoiding the capture of unnecessary or irrelevant content, and it also saves time by eliminating the need to stitch together multiple clips later. To do this, simply head to your camera. Head to the video section. Tap on this red button to start recording. Now to pause video's recording, tap onto this pause button and your video will pause while recording. To resume, still tap onto this red button to go on with your filming. This is especially useful for maintaining continuity in videos while giving the user control over when to record important moments. That's how easy it is to pause while recording a video on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.